Day 5 of deliberations in Dayonte Resiles murder trial, and we've not heard a word from the jury. The defendant could face a death penalty if he's convicted. Local 10's Andrew Perez live at the courthouse with the latest. Andrew.
And here's the thing, this has been going on much longer than both sides frankly expected right now, but based on some of the questions we've heard over the last few days coming from jurors, it appears that they're having trouble agreeing.
All of the jurors have to be unanimous, so all of them, they all have to come to the same verdict.
5 days now deliberating in the murder trial for Dayonte Resiles. He's accused in a violent home invasion turned murder. Jurors have only asked for testimony to be read back and asked few questions.
When they come back and they have a question about lessers and coming back on lessers, and it's been 5 days on a murder case where there's a gruesome death, that is not a good factor for the prosecution.
Eric Schwartzreich has seen this before. He's a well-known defense attorney and says these cases can be complicated.
And remember, not guilty means not proven. So that's what that means. The prosecution has to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt, and it looks like the defense has done a really good job creating reasonable doubt.
Jill Halliburton Sue was found by her son in her bathtub in 2014. She was bound by her hands and feet. She was stabbed more than 20 times, and Resiles' fingerprints were found at the scene. Prosecutors believe he killed her because she could identify him after he broke into her Davie home where she fought.
It's very easy to cross-contaminate.
The defense, though, says Resiles' prints aren't all over that scene as one would expect, claiming cross-contamination, saying other prints found in the home also still can't be identified. Is there enough evidence for this jury? The decision has to be unanimous. And keep in mind, Resiles also escaped custody during a court hearing a few years back. That's something that experts say may also be working against him right now. Here is where we stand. That jury can come back and find him guilty of that first-degree murder charge, which can end in life in prison or even the death penalty. They can come back and find him guilty on lesser charges. They can acquit him altogether, or they can even come back and tell the judge that they just can't reach an agreement. That's the latest here in Fort Lauderdale, though. I'm Andrew Perez. We'll keep you posted. Local 10 News.